Born in 1915 in Havana, Cuba, and passed away in 2022 in New York City, Carmen Herrera is a contemporary artist best known for her abstract wall objects hovering between sculpture and painting, and her more monumental aluminium sculptures called estructuras, or structures. Associated with minimal art, op art, and hard edge painting, Herrera only received significant international recognition during the new millennium's first decade. Carmen Herrera takes on color and minimal shapes and brings them together in serene wall objects. She aims to achieve formal simplicity with a striking sense of color in a quest for the simplest of pictorial resolutions. The Cuban artist is a master of crisp lines and contrasting chromatic planes. She created symmetry, asymmetry, and an infinite variety of movement, rhythm, and spatial tension across the canvas with the most unobtrusive application of paint. Carmen Herrera had a connection with Latin American non-representational concrete paintings, but also with her peers from the United States. Think of Barnett Newman and Kenneth Noland. She moved between France and Cuba before settling in New York in the 1950s, but only half a century later, her work found traction in the United States. Her breakthrough would arrive around 2009, culminating in a major retrospective at the Whitney Museum of American Art in 2016. For further reading on Carmen Herrera, we highly recommend the monographic publication Carmen Herrera Lines of Sight. This was Carmen Herrera in 90 seconds.